Alright, so what we got here is a misfire on a 3.2 TL. It's a 2000. Came in, just had a tune-up done recently. Now it's got a misfire. And this ain't good. Roll it over, Abbott. Stop. Alright, so that's the good cylinder. It's about 180 pounds, 177 pounds. Hold on, let me switch it over to number 2. On here, let's go over to number 2. Let's see, let's make this a little quicker. And yeah, the rest of them check out around the same, 175, 180, all within a couple of pounds of each other. And this one, on the other hand, well, hold on here. I gotta put the video down, camera down for just a second. Actually, maybe not. There we go. All right, roll it over, Rabbit. Yeah, no good. Kill it. Yeah, that's a no good.